Hi, my name's Claire Greatfeld. I'm a special effects technician and prop maker. I've got 15 years experience working in film, television and theatre. At the moment I'm employed as a freelancer here at the Royal Opera House, as you can see. I've been employed to make Trojan torches for the show Trojan that's coming up. They're flame torches that I've designed, that they involve a mechanism and they involve a few different processes to make them in the first place, which is what I'm going to explain to you now. Basically this is my desk, and this is one of the torches that I've made. You can see it has a mechanism that's quite a simple trigger mechanism. It involves plastic washers inside a steel tube that have a metal compression spring in between, so that you can have literally what is a trigger mechanism that opens the lid at the top and closes it when you need your flame to go out. This project has been an 8-week project, and I first started by researching Tunisian tile patterns, which is this kind of stuff here. I did a lot of research on computer, just finding out about different patterns that look kind of Moroccan or Tunisian. And eventually came up with a design for a surround shade that will go around these torches, which is what I'm going to talk to you about. It's about the process that's involved with designing for computer-aided design that can then be laser cut onto flat sheet metal. So basically, as you can see from these designs, I came up with a finalised designs of patterns, which then ended up looking like this, which was then plotted into a computer, and which we then send to a laser cutting company. They plot it into their computer, which is connected to their laser cutting machine, which can cut any thickness of metal up to, I think it can be up to 16 millimeters of steel. I was using 1 millimeter thick sheet steel, which this is an example of. And you can see that what happens with the laser cutting, the computer tells it what channel to take, and then you can see it copies the design, which is then transferred through the laser onto the sheet metal, which we then end up with this, which is a millimeter thick sheet of steel with lots of perforated holes out of it that I don't have to cut out by hand, which is brilliant because I'm actually making 22 of these torches, and which means there are 5 faces for each torch, which means there are 120, about 112 different sheets of metal that need cutting out, as you can see, and that would be quite a lot of work. So that's those.